In this video, I will show you that how to change your username in WordPress, because usually people don't know like how to change the username WordPress. They like explore the entire dashboard and they never found any specific way to change or method to change the username. Usually you can change the password or any other credentials, but username, how you can change? There could be any reason like due to security concern you want to change your username, or do you have any personal preference, like, or due to professional branding you want to change your username. So there could be any reason to change the username. So for this purpose, we will go to the plugin section and we will install a new plugin, and here we will write like username changer. So when you type here, you can see here a plugin username changer, change usernames easily by widget team, and it has 40,000 plus active installations. So you can install this plugin, activate this plugin. Once you install and activate this plugin, now you can go to edit my profile section from here, edit profile. So when we proceed to edit profile section, here you can see now with the username, this option is appearing, change username. So this is just because of the plugin installation that we have done before this. So change username, I will type here, and my username is, see this one, OmarButt1985. So I will change it to, for example, OmarButt, okay, and save username. So username successfully changed to OmarButt. So if I go to log out and now I try to log in with my old username, see, the username is not registered on this site. And if I type my new username, see, this has been logged in, and you can see here now my username is OmarButt instead of OmarButt1985. That was the previous username. So you have learned in this video that how easily we can change the username in our WordPress dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.